feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or just mentally scattered. You're not alone, and you don't need an hour-long meditation retreat to feel better. In this video, we'll show you how to practice mindfulness in just 5 minutes a day to reduce stress, clear your mind, and reconnect with the present moment. Whether you're at your desk on a walk or winding down before bed, these simple techniques fit into any schedule, and the benefits build fast. Today, we will talk about how to practice mindfulness in 5 minutes a day to reduce stress. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Stop what you're doing and just breathe. Sometimes the fastest way to reduce stress is the most obvious. Stop everything you're doing and take one deep breath, then another. Most people don't even realize they're holding tension in their body or breathing too shallow. Deep breathing isn't just relaxing. It signals your nervous system to calm down. You don't need any special training. Just pause, close your eyes if you can, and take slow, full breaths through your nose. Count 4 seconds in, hold for 4, then breathe out for 4. In just 5 minutes of this, your heart rate slows down, your mind feels clearer, and your stress drops. Practicing this daily builds a habit that teaches your brain to calm itself, even during chaos. 9. Do a 5-minute body scan. Mindfulness isn't just about the mind. It starts with being aware of your body. A body scan is one of the simplest techniques. Sit still, close your eyes, and slowly shift your attention from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice what each part feels like. Is there tension in your shoulders? Is your jaw clenched? Are your legs sore? You don't have to change anything, just notice. This 5-minute body scan pulls your mind out of worrying and anchors it to the present moment. With practice, you'll start catching signs of stress earlier. That awareness gives you the power to stop it before it builds up. 8. Observe your thoughts without judging. One of the most powerful things you can do for your mental health is to observe your thoughts without reacting to them. We all have thousands of thoughts each day. Many are stressful, anxious, or self-critical. But most of the stress comes not from the thought itself, but from how we respond to it. Next time you feel overwhelmed, pause for 5 minutes. Notice the thoughts that are racing through your mind. Don't fight them. Don't judge them, just watch them, like clouds floating by in the sky. The act of observing, instead of engaging, creates distance. That distance gives you clarity. Instead of getting caught up in every fear or worry, you learn to let go. And that's where the stress begins to dissolve. 7. Practice gratitude in the present moment. Gratitude isn't just about writing lists. It's about noticing what's good right now. For 5 minutes a day, pause and think about one thing you're thankful for in that exact moment. It could be the sunlight on your face, the sound of a bird outside, the comfort of your chair, or even just the fact that you're breathing. Focusing your attention on something positive resets your mental state. It doesn't erase your problems, but it shifts your mindset from stress and scarcity to appreciation. Practicing this kind of present moment gratitude builds emotional strength. You start to see beauty in ordinary moments, and that awareness naturally reduces stress. 6. Anchor your focus to one simple task. Multitasking is one of the fastest ways to feel stressed. Your brain wasn't built to focus on 5 things at once, but mindfulness can be practiced through single tasking. For example, take 5 minutes to make a cup of tea or wash a few dishes, but do it with your full attention. Feel the warm water, listen to the sounds, smell the aroma, notice your movements. That task becomes your anchor. If your mind drifts, gently return it to the task. Doing this daily, even for just 5 minutes, builds your brain's ability to focus, calm down, and slow the rush of stress. 5. Name what you're feeling, out loud or in your head. Stress often builds when we don't know exactly what we're feeling. Our emotions get tangled up and we feel overwhelmed. A simple 5-minute mindfulness practice is to name the feeling. Sit still, take a deep breath, and say to yourself, I feel anxious, or I feel frustrated, or I feel sad. This process is called affect labeling, and research shows it helps reduce activity in the stress centers of the brain. When you give your emotions a name, they feel more manageable. It also reminds you that emotions are temporary. Naming them brings clarity, and clarity reduces panic. 4. Use your senses to ground yourself. Stress pulls us out of the present. It makes us worry about the future or replay the past. But your 5 senses, sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste, can bring you back to now. Take 5 minutes and focus on one sense at a time. What do you see? What do you hear? Can you feel the air on your skin? This kind of sensory grounding is especially powerful if you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed. You don't need to be in a quiet room or have candles lit. Just tune into your surroundings wherever you are. Noticing the details of your environment, without judgment, can bring you back to calm. 3. Say one kind thing to yourself every day. We are often our harshest critics. Negative self-talk fuels stress, and most of us don't even realize we're doing it. Practicing mindfulness also means being aware of how you speak to yourself. Take 5 minutes each day and say something kind to yourself. It can be as simple as, "I'm doing the best I can," or "It's okay to rest," or "I am allowed to make mistakes." Saying kind, supportive words helps your mind feel safe. When your brain feels safe, stress goes down. This habit may feel awkward at first, but with repetition, it changes the way you see yourself, and it helps you build inner peace even on difficult days. 2. Spend 5 minutes doing nothing. In today's world, doing nothing feels wrong. We're constantly told to be productive, busy, and efficient. But mindfulness teaches us that doing nothing can be deeply healing. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Sit still, no phone, no distractions, just be. You might feel uncomfortable at first. Your mind may race, but the goal isn't to stop thinking. It's to stop reacting. Allow thoughts to come and go. Don't check your phone. Don't try to be useful. This practice teaches you that your worth isn't tied to doing something all the time. And ironically, the more you practice doing nothing, the more focused and energized you feel when you go back to doing everything else. 1. Make it a daily habit, not a once-in-a-while fix. Mindfulness is most powerful when it's part of your everyday life, not just something you turn to during a crisis. 5 minutes a day might seem small, but it adds up. The more consistently you practice, the more your brain rewires itself to stay calm under pressure. You start catching stress before it builds. You become more patient, less reactive, and more centered in every area of life. You don't need to meditate for hours or attend a retreat. Just 5 minutes a day. Same time, same place if possible. Maybe right after you wake up, during lunch, or before bed. You can even do it during your commute or a work break. What matters most is that you do it daily. Stress is a part of life, but with a 5-minute mindfulness habit, you're no longer controlled by it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.